This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3609 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Axis Decor, Arctic Maple Glaze-MF Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, smoke detector, LP detector, external shower, stovetop burner, slideout, TV, air conditioning, leveling jacks, Colorado detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3609 is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.